cappuccinos.
All right, thank you. See ya.
Waiting game until she gets here from the airport. I know she's probably exhausted because she just got off a 16-hour flight, but I got her coffee. It is? We're so ready. What are we gonna see today?
Hercules.
We got a taxi because you know why? It's gonna be cheaper because she's here. Because Liam's rich, she actually pays for everything we do.
I'm a working girl.
You're paying for this whole trip, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I literally am funding this. I brought like $50,000.
So we have a private jet hopping to each island because she's paying for the whole thing.
Exactly.
Oh, where's our private jet?
It's right down the road.
I thought it was a helicopter.
It's a helicopter taking us to the Parthenon later. Private jet to all the islands.
Yeah.
She's so rich.
And then the jet skis, you know.
Yeah. Jet skis. Right. Right. So plan is we are at our next little apartment for the night. We're really close to the port to get on the boat tomorrow to start island hopping. But today we want to go see some stuff like the Parthenon, the Acropolis, you know, where Hercules lived, all that stuff.
You remember the drone?
Yes.
The one that we had in Oman that we had to ship?
To Spain because it was illegal in Morocco and Egypt, the next two countries we were going to.
Yeah, it actually didn't make it
to Spain.
So
Spain denied it, sent it back to Oman.
We don't know if we're getting it back for sure.
No.
It actually is Ramadan in Oman right now. Nobody really knows what's going on.
Or where our drone is, so that's in the works.
Yeah.
But in the meantime...
Leanna brought us our new drone. We feel like we need it. Hey, check this out.
Oh!
Nice packaging, Leanna. We're not entirely sure how we're paying for it yet. We need it.
Subscribe, that's how we're paying for it. We feel like the drone is just too important to the vlogs. Personally, we missed it. Personally, we feel like it gives the best perspective of like a scene and showing you an area and just everything. We love our drones, so we felt like this moment had to happen.
This is the new Hey, the helicopter's leaving soon, right?
Yeah, it's
go.
Oh, here, tell me.
Terrible helicopter sounds. No, so we ended up getting the DJI Platinum Mavic Pro. This is like the newer model of the Mavic. Apparently the blades and everything help with like the sound reduction and the battery lasts a little bit longer. We're super excited. This is like very pumped up. We do have to charge the battery and I think we'll take it out for a flight pretty soon. Yeah.
Wrong, dude. Not this yet. No. What do you think that was for? You're hungry. Yeah, do we get on this one?
She said yes. As a Euro.
This is the best year I've ever had.
Is it a free entrance day? Free.
International Day of Bitmoji.
Perfect. Awesome.
International Day for the museum. Free ticket entrance into the Parthenon.
Not bad. Yeah. This one's on Leanna.
What are you saying? Wait. We've been crowded in here, innit?
Yeah, we came at prime time. I think we're gonna start heading back. How'd you guys enjoy the Acropolis?
Wait, we're heading back? It was
soon, yeah?
It was amazing. I learned a lot of things.
We did learn a lot, actually.
In the 1600s, the Parthenon exploded due to a bomb from the war between the Ottoman Empire and Venice. The
I had no idea that
occupied this area at this time.
And the Parthenon has been several things, including a church,
a mosque, and it was originally built to honor the ancient Greek gods.
Multi-purpose.
Compelling stuff. I think we are gonna have a little bit of a Nat Geo binge whenever we get back to learn a little bit more about what's going on.
YouTube.
Been trying for 30 minutes to get off of like the hills that the Parthenon and everything is on, but pictures, guys, pictures. Lots and lots and lots of pictures.
Oh, you look retarded. You're gonna fall over.
One thing that we have noticed about being here in Greece is we've seen more graffiti in Athens than we've seen anywhere else in the entire world.
Seriously.
There's so much graffiti.
Wish we just knew what it was saying.
We're trying to figure out maybe the time period that it was. If it was whenever like the economy kind of just took like that big little dip.
Since then?
And yeah, since then, maybe there's just been a lot of graffiti happening, but it is everywhere. So we left the Parthenon and we're just doing some little bopping around to the little shops around here. And we found out that there's another structure built for the gods called Ephesus. I really hope I'm pronouncing that right, probably butchering it like crazy. But apparently it's older than the Parthenon and we've never even actually heard of it. So we're gonna go check it out. We got 15 minutes till this place closed.
Leanna, what's the goal?
Next goal?
Yeah, the next goal.
To go to the store, get food, relax, celebrate. Being in Greece, baby.
Just, you know, just cuz. We're in Greece.
You gotta celebrate seeing
Guys,
the
this is
birth.
our stop.
Oh. That was a close one.
Sure was.
Mind the gap, ladies and gentlemen.
Dinner is served.
Some Grecian pasta a la Tyler.
Tyler, you made this?
Thank you, Tyler.
Oh, you're most welcome.
After tonight, we only eat Greek food.
Yes.
But we had this cute little kitchen and we just couldn't let it go to waste. Don't hurry. We're hurt.
We're late for the bus to go to the ferry to go to the island. 3 hours of sleep.